What's up, kings? Listen close because I'm only saying this once. The filthy little secret that 99% of men will die without ever learning is that most women, your girlfriend, your wife, that quiet church girl, that corporate boss babe, spend their days acting strong and independent. But the second the bedroom door shuts, a massive percentage of them are praying you grab them by the throat, slam them into the mattress, and fuck them like you own every inch of their body and soul. Anonymous surveys show 60 to 70% of women fantasize about ravishment, being taken, overpowered, claimed, because the second you dominate her with calm, confident, ruthless ownership, you give her the one thing she can't get anywhere else: total permission to shut off her brain, stop performing, stop being good, and just feel like dripping, trembling, owned property. Evolution wired her body to flood with dopamine and oxytocin when a high-value man takes control. Her nervous system still answers to the caveman who protected the tribe and bred without apology. So when you pin her wrists, pull her hair, choke her just right, and pound her like she's yours and only yours, her pussy gets wetter, her orgasms hit harder, and she becomes chemically addicted to you faster than any amount of dinner dates ever could. But here's the rule or you'll ruin it. Dominance without trust is assault, so you build rock-solid consent first. You set a safe word. Red stops everything. Yellow slows down. You never come from anger, and the second you finish, you flip into protective aftercare mode, holding her, stroking her hair, telling her she's safe and perfect, because that brutal to tender contrast is what turns one night of ownership into a lifetime obsession. Start before you even touch her. Lock eyes that don't apologize. Guide her by the back of the neck. Growl in her ear exactly what you're about to do to her. Then kiss her like you're claiming territory. Bite her lip. Rip her clothes off yourself. Pin both her wrists with one hand while you kiss down her neck and watch her hips buck, because that's her body screaming more. Use dirty talk that burns possession into her brain. This pussy belongs to me tonight. You don't come until I say. Look at me while I fuck you, Ashley. You are mine. Say her name plus mine is pure crack to her nervous system. Fuck her in 3 rhythms that destroy her. Slow, deep grinds with eye contact and a smirk. Sudden, violent bursts of 10 hard thrusts that make her gasp. Then hair-pulling doggy where you grip her hips so hard your fingerprints stay for days, and rail her like you're trying to imprint your soul inside her. If she begs for choking, and most will once you do everything else right, hand flat on the lower neck, pressure on the sides only, ask more while your balls deep, and watch your eyes roll back when you hit the sweet spot. Edge your orgasms 3 or 4 times. Make her beg, then command, come from me right now while you're pounding. The release will shatter her because you owned it. Leave hickeys, light bruises, handprints. She'll stare at them in the mirror for a week and get wet every single time. Green light signals she wants this. She reads dark romance, jokes about 50 Shades, calls your daddy, gets soaked the second you accidentally get rough. If you stay vanilla after she drops those hints, she's secretly disappointed and will eventually find a guy who isn't scared to own her. Do this right and she will text you at 2 a.m. shaking, begging for more, because you became the only man who ever made her feel truly, completely, deliciously owned. So smash the like button if your mind is blown, subscribe and turn on notifications because I drop this kind of forbidden bedroom truth every week. And comment the word owned right now if you're stepping into this energy with the next woman you take to bed. Go claim what's yours, kings, responsibly, relentlessly, and without apology.